Hey guys and gals, Ron Ipach here. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Today, I want to play a little game with you called Who Else Wants to Be a Millionaire? That's right, who else wants to be a millionaire? Because I believe everybody out there should be a millionaire. Now, you might be thinking, well, I'm not money motivated, money is evil, things like that. Look, if that's you, go ahead and turn this video off because you're going to get turned off by this video. All right, I want to talk about those of you that have the want to become a millionaire. And I honestly believe everybody has the capability to become a millionaire. All you got to do is go for it. You have to think a little bit bigger. So this past weekend, I had a lot of my clients in town and we kind of did some mind expansion exercises. And I want to share a slide with you that I shared with them to help you start thinking bigger and bigger and understand that being a millionaire really isn't that big of a deal. And if you think of becoming a millionaire as not that big of a deal, I guarantee you it's a lot more attainable for you to get there. So I want to prove to you how easy it is to become a millionaire these days. Okay, so let me throw some facts and figures your way and see if I can maybe get your greed glands going here a little bit. Okay, so in the United States, there are 724 billionaires. Okay, billionaire with a B. For a little context, $1 billion is 1,000 millions, okay? Big number, only 724 of them, very exclusive groups. But we're not talking about becoming a billionaire yet, okay? If you want to be a billionaire, you got to make your first million. So let's talk about how many millionaires there are in the United States. Now, this is going to shock you because I thought there were fewer of them, but there's actually 22 million millionaires in the United States. So this is not an exclusive group of people. There's 22 million out there. And as you see on the screen right down there, 8.8% of all adults are already millionaires. Okay? And if you're not a millionaire yet, what's holding you back? Look, you see a lot of people out there and you think, man, if they can do it, I can do it, right? So you just got to start making the better decisions and taking the better actions that are going to take you closer to that $1 million goal. But it's not really that big of a goal anymore. I don't mean to belittle it a little bit, but I got to get you thinking big if you want to be able to get there. Okay, if you think this is a far off goal, you may not even go for it. But there are 22 million millionaires already. But you might be thinking, but Ron, look, we just came through a pandemic. All this crap going on with the government and the economy and all this kind of stuff. This is not the time to become a millionaire, right? Hold on, because last year alone, there were 2.5 million new millionaires in the United States. Okay, so get those excuses out of your head that just the timing isn't right and understand it's all up to you. You just got to start doing the actions in order to get it done. Now, to break things down into almost the ridiculous, every single day there's opportunity here in the United States. How much opportunity? Well, last year alone, if I take that 2.5 million, divide it by this 365 days, that means there's 6,849 brand spanking new millionaires on average every single day being created. If they can do it, you can do it. Start thinking big, start taking big actions, and you will get there. Now, before we go, please do me a ginormous favor. Go down below this video. Give me a little love. Comment, like the video, share the video with somebody you think is going to get inspired by this and maybe start taking those millionaire actions. All I'm trying to do is help everybody succeed and get to the goals that they're looking for. In this case, that $1 million goal I've just shown you ain't that big of a deal. So let's go ahead and get it next week, huh? Right? Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.